Hello and welcome. Today we have a question, reverse a linked list. This is a very easy question. Let's see how we can solve this. So we have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Head of the linked list is 1. And what our goal is that we have to return a linked list which is the reverse of this linked list, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there are many approaches, and in our approach we're gonna use a simple approach. Okay, so let's see this. So this is our input, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and null. Okay, because 1 is pointing to 2, 2 pointing to 3, similarly 5 pointing to null. Okay, our goal is that what we'll do is we'll point 1 to null, 2 to 1, 3 to 2, 4 to 3 and 5 to 4, and our head would be 4, right? So this is what we're gonna return. Okay, this is our output. Okay, so let's see how can we solve this question. Okay, so this is very easy. What we're gonna do is we have to I'm gonna write the code along with this thing. Okay, so follow me carefully. I'm sure you will enjoy this and you will understand this because I'm gonna write a very short code. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll bring something called previous here. Okay, I'll tell you what previous is. Okay, we'll bring something called previous here and we'll make it what? We'll make it null. Okay, and we'll also bring something called what do we say? Okay, current. Okay, current over which node? Which to the head of. Okay, we'll bring current to the head, and we'll also bring something temp head. So what we have did until now, we have brought our temp and current overhead, and we have made a new node which is previous and made it null. Okay, let's type this here. Okay, let's me change the language to Java because I'm gonna code it in Java. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna bring our head. Okay, bring our temp over what? Head. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring out what did we say? Okay, current over head. Okay, let me correct this. This is capital N. Okay, so the next thing we did was we have created a new node. Okay, list node. What we have named that? We have named that previous equal to no. What we have done was we have made it null. Okay, now listen to me carefully. This is going to be very easy, very easy. Okay, what we're gonna do is we'll move our temp to the next position. Okay, we'll move our temp to the next node. How we'll move this? Using temp is equal to temp dot next. Okay, after moving our temp to the next position, what we'll do is we'll make what we're gonna do is we'll make the current's next part to previous. What we're gonna do? Current's next part to previous. What this will do is this will create a link to the null. Okay, what we're gonna do is we make current's next part to previous. Okay, after making current next part to previous, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this. Move what? Move current. Move previous over current and current over temp. This process is gonna repeat many times. Okay, until we reach null, until the current node reach null. Okay, again we'll repeat the same process. What we're gonna do? We'll make temp is equal to temp dot next, and what we do? Current dot next is equal to previous. What will this do? This will create again a link with this one. Okay, 2 will create link with this one because over 1 we have previous. Okay, and now what we'll do? We'll move again our previous over current and current over temp, and again the same story. We'll move our temp here, and what we'll do? We'll make current dot next is equal to previous. By making current dot next equal to previous, we're gonna make a link with 2. Okay, and then again we'll move our previous over current and current over temp, and temp is equal to temp dot next. Again we're gonna do the same thing. What we're gonna do? We'll make current dot next is equal to previous. What? Current dot next is equal to previous. What this will do is current is over 4, right? So 4 dot next is equal to previous. What this will do with this will create a link with 3. Okay. After doing this, we'll do the same thing again. What? Bring previous over current and current over previous. Actually, current over temp and then current over and then our temp over null. Okay. So currently our temp is null. Let's ignore this for now and focus on what we are doing until now. Okay. So again, what we'll do, we'll make our current next is equal to previous. Current next is equal to previous. This will link our 5 with 4. Okay. And we'll repeat the same step again. What? Current is equal to current dot next, and bring our current over temp and bring our previous. So sorry. What we are doing? First we are moving our previous, right? So previous over current and then current over temp. Okay. Once our current reaches the null, once our current becomes null, what we're gonna do is we're gonna return this previous, because this previous is representing our head. Okay. Let's write this in a code. This is gonna be only a 4-line code. Let's write. We're doing this thing until when? Until our current is not equal to null. Current is not equal to null. What first thing we are doing? Let's see this diagram. What first thing we are doing? We are bringing these two things here, current and temp over here, and we have current and temp over here, and we have this new node, this previous node here. So first thing we are doing is we are moving a temp. So let's write the code for that. Temp is equal to temp dot next, and current dot next is equal to what we are doing here. Suppose we have our current here. What we are doing, current dot next is equal to previous, right? We are creating the link to the previous. Current dot next is equal to previous, right? And then we are moving our previous to where? Previous to current position and current to temp position. That's it. And once we get out of the loop, what we are going to return? We're going to return the previous, which is pointing to the new head. Let's try. Let's run this. Yes, it is getting accepted. Let's submit it. So every test case is passed. Okay. So this is a solution for this. See, the code is very, very easy. The only thing you have to write is this thing. Rest all is easy, right? So once you get proper understanding of linked list, this is a very, very easy and basic question. And subscribe for new kind of questions.